Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Kraken. First, log into your Kraken account, then go to Funding, select Deposit and choose USDT. Now, select the network you want to use, with ERC20 recommended for low fees or ERC20 if you prefer the Ethereum network. After that, copy the USDT deposit address provided by Kraken. Make sure that the network matches your USDT type to avoid losing any funds. Next, open the Coinbase app or website and go to your portfolio. Select USDT and tap Send. Now, paste the Kraken USDT deposit address. Select the same network as you choose in Kraken and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Then, double-check the wallet address, network, and amount to ensure everything is correct. Complete any two-factor authentication or email confirmation if prompted. After that, tap Send and wait for the blockchain confirmation, which usually takes a few minutes when using ERC20. Finally, open Kraken, go to Fund, and select USDT. Check your deposit history or wallet balance to confirm that the funds have arrived. If the funds do not appear after confirmation, use the transaction ID to track it on a Blocker Explorer or contact Kraken support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.